Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. Today's video, we will be making some chili. This is my first cooking video for 2023 and I feel like this recipe is perfect for those cold, chilly days. You can't go wrong with some chili. So if you would like to see how I made this recipe, continue watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe. First things first, we're going to add oil. I'm going to show you guys everything that I do to make my chili. I am not going to talk through this whole video, but I will leave everything down below in the description box, the measurements, and yeah, you just basically make your chili to your liking. Make sure you taste your chili once the meat is cooked, of course. Taste your chili just in case you need to add extra seasonings. And I'm going to keep stirring throughout the whole cooking process. So yeah, guys, just sit back and watch my video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm telling you again, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at lavishlooks_by_Kiki. If you follow my recipe, please comment down below and let me know how your chili came out because my chili came out good. And me, my boyfriend, and my kids, we killed the pot, okay? We was tearing this chili up and I know you guys are going to do the same. So sit back, watch the video. See you guys soon.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Behind the story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous wine, but I think I'm here to solo, hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.